Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin, and if you're new here, welcome. What's good? So in today's video, I am going to be doing a fashion try on haul. This is like one of my first videos, I think, doing a haul, but I had a lot of clothes that I bought over the past couple months that I wanted to share with you guys. And I know a lot of times we order online and we're not sure how things are going to fit us or how they really look, so I wanted to definitely show you guys what I got. I ordered some things from Fashion Nova, Forever 21, H&M, Shein, Zaful, Boohoo. So I'm probably gonna do two different try on hauls because I have so many clothes, but I don't want this to be too long, so we're just gonna get started and jump right into this video. So if you want to see what I have, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start with some of the pieces that I got from Boohoo. Now when I shop, I do not pay regular price for it. Hardly anything. Like, I always find a coupon code, discount code. I always shop sale items because I'm cheap and that's just me. So all of these pieces that I got from Boohoo were literally all under $10. So the first thing that I got was this little spandex type dress. It's like a black, like a two-top dress, and then it has this really high split up the side. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but there's a really high split, and it's just a basic like tube dress. The material is really thin. Like, you cannot wear any underwear. You have to wear a thong with this, but it's really see-through. Like, no colored underwear, no colored thongs, black thongs only. But it is really, I didn't expect it. And there's sizing, so with the sizing, I think I got a small. I think I got the smallest. That's like an extra small, and I will not order extra smalls from Boohoo anymore, especially on these stretch material, because they are so fitted. So that's this piece. So the next thing that I got was this really cute jumper from Boohoo, and I love black because I have tons of black clothes and my boyfriend is always fussing at me, but I mean, black pieces are staples. Like, you have to have them. So I got this really cute black jumper from Boohoo. This material is actually really thin as well, but it's a wide leg stretch jumper, so it is super comfortable. I absolutely love this. This is how wide the legs are. So this is so comfortable. Like, you can actually dress this up, dress it down. I have like a crop top kind of white shirt that'll go so cute underneath this. So I am obsessed. I think this is out of all the things that I got from Boohoo, I think this is like my favorite. I love like little rompers, jumpsuits, and things like that. So the last piece that I got, and that jumpsuit was $10. And then the last thing, a regular like bandeau top that I got, and it was $3. And they have lots of different colors, but I have a black and a white one. So this is that. Okay, so another set that I got from Boohoo was this really cute like lemon two-piece set. So they did sell separately, and the top and the bottom was like $6. So this right here was like a pair of shorts. They're like, has like lemon prints on them with polka dots, and then the legs have like this cute little fringe thing to it. But this was a super cute outfit. The pants look really long, but they fit okay. The material was not as thick as I thought it would be. So here is the top. It's like a little crop top with like the lemon print on it with the polka dots. It's super cute. It has a tie in the front, so you can tie like a little bow, which I didn't do a really good job of doing, but it has like a little bow that you tie in the front. And this outfit was super cute. I'm going on vacation next week for my boyfriend's 30th birthday, so I have like a bunch of clothes that I'm going to be taking, and that is one of them. So yeah, so on to the next place. Okay, so the next place that I have some things from is Forever 21. So this dress that I bought this dress a couple months ago actually. So it is actually a wrap dress with long sleeve. This is not tied either. Let me quickly tie this back. So this is like a super cute and comfortable like wrap dress that I got from Forever 21. It has a super high split, but you can cover it up depending on how you like wrap the dress. But yeah, it just has like these like flower prints on its black and white, and its long sleeve. It's really fitted. This is a size small, and this dress I believe was like $15. from Forever 21. And I believe I ordered this online as well when they had like their 50% off sale. But this dress is in a size small. So the next thing I got, this is one of my favorite pieces that I got from Forever 21. And I got this because I saw Symphony Soto. She's a YouTuber. You guys should check her out. She got this shirt and I was searching high and low. So this is like a striped crop top shirt with long sleeve, and the sleeves are wide. So this is so cute. So let me tell you, I went there to try this on. This is in a size medium, I believe. I wear a size small. So the sleeves are like right at my fingertips. They're a little bit long, but I really didn't care because I had to have this top. It's so like, this just screams summertime. I had to have this, so I bought it anyway. It's not super long where it looks bad or anything like that, but yes, had to have it. Okay, so the next thing that I have is from H&M. So they've been having this crazy sale. I literally work right next door to H&M and they always have a sale. So I bought like these kind of jean capri, like almost like gaucho pants, I guess, but they were $10 and they are super cute. So they're high-waisted and they're really like tight in the waist, so it kind of like sucks you in and gives you that shape. But it is halfway, and then the bottom has like a little, it's frayed at the bottom and it's wide leg. It is so cute. You can, oh my gosh, you can do some things with this. I have to find like a cute top to go with this, but I am literally like obsessed with these pants. Like, they're so cute. The next few pieces that I have are from Fashion Nova. So this little top that I bought, it is like a crop top, like a dressy crop top shirt that I got. This shirt was $5. So it basically, it's hard to show this one. So it's like a crop top with a little ring right here in the center, and then the strap actually goes like across the neck, and then it'll sit like this kind of, I know that's hard to see. I'm gonna try it on anyway. But this is $5. This is in a size small, so I can dress this up. I have in my next haul, you will see like some skirts that I have from Boohoo that go perfect with this. So I'll show you guys that later. But this is like a nice little crop top that you can, it's a dressy crop top. I wouldn't dress this down, but super cute, super cheap. So this is like my first go around of buying Fashion Nova jeans, so I was super excited about that. So I got some just regular black jeans from Fashion Nova. I believe I bought a lot of stuff from there. These jeans had to have been like $17 maybe, but they're just regular black skinny jeans. They're high-waisted. These ones aren't distressed, but they really fit cute, and they're kind of like push-up, like butt push-up jeans, I guess. Yeah, so this is what the back looks like. I know that's hard to see. I'm gonna try it on. But yeah, just some regular black jeans that I got from Fashion Nova, and it is true what they say, these Fashion Nova jeans fit, honey. So I got another pair of jeans. These are one of my favorite jeans that I got from Fashion Nova, and this is a pair of white jeans, high-waisted, and they are distressed. These go up. I love the fact that these are super high-waisted. The waist is super skinny. With this, I got a size 3. These jeans were $17. I got a size 3 in this, but I think with like the kind of stretchy jean material, I would go up to a size 5 because these were really tight on me. Like, but I mean they fit, but it was like super tight. But they're still one of my favorite pair of jeans. So got these. And so another pair of jeans that I got, so these are more of like ankle, they stop right at the ankle. They're not high-waisted or anything like that, just a regular pair of distressed ankle jeans. I've worn these. This is what the bottom looks like. I've worn these jeans like one time already. These jeans were $10 from Fashion Nova. This is a size small, well, size 24. These ones are super stretchy, so I got the smallest size in this. And now I have to definitely read and see like which jeans are like stretch material, which jeans are not, because I had some other jeans that I purchased as well that I thought were going to be fitted, but they fit more like boyfriend jeans. So you guys will see that in my next haul. But that definitely concludes everything that I got so far in this haul. So I will definitely make the other video maybe next week sometime so you guys can see what else I got. I just didn't want this video to be like super long. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, then definitely let me know down below, and I will see you guys later.